Hi friends, my name is Ankita. Are you enjoying my videos? Leave a comment below. So let's get started. Oh, I forgot to tell you what we are doing today. I am transforming a boring table clock into an attractive and beautiful wall clock using Pista Shells. Material we are going to need. The first step is to attach this clock to the cardboard with the help of this glue gun. The second step is that I have fixed these empty matchboxes on its back so that it fits flat on the wall. I have painted these pista shells using my favorite acrylic colors. Now we are going to make this beautiful flower using these shells. So friends, a beautiful wall clock is ready. It is so attractive, isn't it? Give me a like, comment below, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Bye.